22 Coimadai Court, Mornington is the perfect family home. My name's Jai Reid from O'Brien Real Estate. Let me take you inside and see what this home has to offer. The block is positioned on 830 square metres. This makes for so much potential to subdivide or build at the rear of this property. This master bedroom features walk-in robe and semi-ensuite. The house features open plan living and dining, which steps out onto your own undercover pergola, perfect for entertaining family and friends. I look forward to meeting you at one of our scheduled open for inspections, or if you prefer your own private viewing, please feel free to give me a call.